I came across a very cool and I would say an interesting project, and I would call it a crypto Tinder or Tinder for crypto. Well, in general, the matchmaking with AI and in the crypto world. And the project which I found and I kind of got very interested in, it's called XOXO Protocol, which is the AI-powered matchmaking social protocol. That's very cool. So if you want to participate in it, you can verify and get DID points, and you can earn XOXO rewards through matching, chatting, and companionship. That's, I think, a very interesting thing. So there's already 1.5 million plus downloads with 1 million matches and 80k plus daily TXNs. So as you can see, 1 million worth of XOXO airdrop. So people can actually still participate it. You can download the XO app, verify your humanity, which is, genuine human interaction, verify your identity with SMS and face liveness check, and early users will receive airdrop Soul Bonds token, the XOL, and then start posting, matching, and earning on XO app. Well, that is a cool thing because you can also gain points and you can interact and obviously chat with others. So when you're on your profile, you earn from the interactions. So it's kind of like a Tinder, but with rewards and in crypto. And I think I like it because you can share your moments, your confession stories, insights with a judgment-free space. So people are actually putting, their kind of life, verified with the XO UL. Wow, that just changed. Oh, oh my God, this is cool. A lot of things are happening actually here. So you can actually embrace the blockchain benefits for social and unlock that digital ownership, because obviously it's the Web3 matchmaking with real user and real data. And I can see some people are talking, this is a very cool thing. I found easy to connect with ordinary people who are kind of connected with, here it's like LGBTQ right, please the users base includes people my age, and it's like people can actually connect with others. And matchmaking in crypto, I totally love it. So for those of you who are interested, you can actually press claim airdrop as well. So you can see there is XO app, win a seasonal XOXO prize pool, 9 days left for February XO quest. Well, it's March since I record this video, but I think it doesn't matter. But with total matches of 15 million and the 606,000 SBT holders. So I like it. I think it's very cool. So, XO app, it might be the future of, kind of like a blockchain Tinder and, community, especially that it's in a way dating in crypto. So time to scan that QR code and just show you the basics of how does it look inside. So I just kind of went to the Google Play, scanned the code, XO secret anonymous chat. Cool, downloading. All right, downloaded. My Xiaomi is checking the security scan. Xiaomi does it. It just what this. No risk detected. Great. Just open it. So after I open it, I have the XO, lovely logo, and it tells me save and anonymous, break from constant judgment, find someone like XO who will hear and share your burden. Look past the superficial, share your thoughts, engage with meaningful conversation with like-minded friends, keep it casual, find people to chat, reply story to build chat room. Start. So now I can log in with my continue with Google or continue phone number. This is kind of the direction you want to go. So I'm going to continue with my Google. All right. So then it tells, like, after you choose the way to register, tell us about yourself, your nickname, your birthday, then male, female, non-binary. Just fill in some of the details about yourself. Then it asks you for select your country, where are you based, who do you want to meet, etc. After it asks me to choose 3 to 5 personal tags, so what are kind of to find your kindred spirit. So go for the one which kind of resonate with you. There's quite a lot of to choose from, so I think you can actually find something which connects with you. Then it asks you to create your first story, so posting a picture that kind of best represents you and you can connect with others. So I'm gonna do it as well. So now, as simple as kind of Tinder is, swipe right to like the secret, then it'll be saved onto your profile. Swipe left to get rid of secrets you aren't interested and lower the chances of seeing them. So if I like the secret, send the chat to this user. So, if someone is, here, a Gemini, imagine no pressure meetup, up for anything, gamer, LOL. Well, okay, let's just swipe green. And then if you don't like someone, just swipe left. So you can actually meet, you know, a lot of people, swipe it out. I can see on the top right that they also have the kind of option for the tokens as well, which are kind of pretty cool. You have your chats and instant matches, etc., and your smart account. So you have the obviously tokenization, NFTs, your address, and your base here. So I think that's very cool because it actually shows you the kind of the basics. I can see you already have a message from someone. Yeah, a lunar mist. Hey. And cool, and you just build some, relation, especially for people who are maybe disconnected and they are in the crypto. This is cool thing. So obviously, this is kind of how it shows your profile, edit bio. You can verify it as well. You can see your NFT collection, and you can also connect your wallet to show your assets right here. I think that's cool. You have an option for sidekick. I'm looking for a master. Are you the one? Oh, okay. All right. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is kind of it. You can actually see the basics of it and upload more photos like on Tinder. So yeah, matchmaking and connection with crypto connected. I think that's very cool if you're looking for friends, partners, or maybe someone to grab and take out on a date, or maybe just connect on the other side of the world. This is it from me, and remember, if you like this video, just hit that like and subscribe so you're up to date with everything what's going on, and see you in the next video. Take care!
Mad investors in town, sharing hidden treasures he's found. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, his knowledge knows no bounds, unlocking the secrets of the